Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix this error. It's very simple. Just follow my steps. If you find this guide useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Well, the first step is to open the Windows search engine and search for CMD. Run as administrator. Here, you will type the following commands one by one and then hit enter. Well, once finished, we will have to restart the PC. Then, we will go to Chrome and we will give click in the 3 points: Settings, Privacy and Security, Delete Browsing Data, and check these boxes. Delete data. That would be all. If it helped you, leave me a like and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.